Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Super Mario surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Toad surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and line up my corners and give my paper a nice fold right down the middle here. Next, I'm going to line up my corners again and give it another fold, just like this. That way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by making one of the mushrooms from Mario. So I want to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come at a little bit of an angle. Then I want to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to bring this down, and I'm going to come in a little bit at an angle. Next, I'm going to curve this to connect it. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to come down in a nice curve like this for the top. Now, starting right here, I'm going to be drawing the top of the mushroom. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve out. I'm going to come all the way to the top, and then I'm going to bring it right down to here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw the eyes. So starting here, I'm going to make a nice tall oval shape like this. And then over here, I'm going to make another nice tall oval shape. Now, right up here, I'm going to make a circle, and then I'm going to make another circle over here. That's just going to be a little bit of the reflection in the eye. Next, right here, I'm going to go ahead and just color in each part of the eye. So we're just going to color in this big oval shape, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Just go ahead and color that in. Now, up here, I want to make the big circle. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice big circle shape on the front of the mushroom. And then right over here, I'm going to make another half circle. And then we'll do a different half circle over here on this side. So there's the first part of our surprise fold. We have the little kind of power-up mushroom. Next, what we have to do is we're going to open this up and draw the inside. After we open it up, you see that we have two halves of our mushroom. So we're going to turn this top one up here into Toad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it up here. Now, starting right here underneath this fold, I'm going to make an oval shape for an eye, and then another oval shape for an eye right here. I'm going to make a circle towards the top, and then just how we did the other eye, I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in. So I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make the mouth. So I'm going to make a little smile. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down and then up. Then we'll make a little sad face for the tongue. Next, let's draw the body. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to curve it right to here. Now, right here, we're going to make a foot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a nice big oval shape. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice big oval shape right here. So it kind of looks like he's going to be running or jumping. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. Now, in here, let's draw his little vest. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes over and then up towards the head. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to come over and then up towards the head. Then I'm going to make another one. I'm going to come over and then up. And then same thing, over and up. Then right across here for his pants, we'll just draw a little line. Now, starting here, I'm going to make another oval shape. And then down here, I'm going to make his other foot. So we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come up here. Now, up here, we want to make his hands. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'll draw a little line that comes up and down for the thumb. And then I'll just go ahead and make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps for some fingers. And then we'll just bring it in here. Let's do the same thing over here. We're going to make a line that comes out for the arm. We'll draw a little line that comes up and down for the thumb. Then for the fingers, I'm just going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps. And then we'll just draw a line in here for the arm. Now, next what we have to do is let's finish off this power-up mushroom down here. So I'm going to bring this line up a little bit on each side. Bring it up a little higher. Then I'm going to make a line that just curves right across the top. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out, and I'm going to curve up to here. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to curve out and bring it right up to here. Now, starting right here by where his foot is, let's draw kind of like a partial circle that's just going to come up to here. We'll make a half circle shape over here, and then another half circle shape over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little mushroom and toad surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little power mushroom right here. And then when we open it up, you can see that we have Toad jumping over the mushroom. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.